In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Discord to Marvel Rivals. So if you go and click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side, you can then click on community. You'll see right at the top here, we have the option to go in and link our Discord. Now at the moment, you'll get the message saying, make sure you log into Discord before trying again. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on a console as well. So all you need to do is go and open up an internet browser, either on your computer or a mobile phone. And from a search engine, we're going to type in Discord Marvel Rivals and press enter. You'll then need to click on this top website, which is the official Marvel Rivals Discord server. Now just go and accept the invitation link, and that's going to link over to your Discord application. And then we can go and open up the Discord app. So once you're on Discord, go and find the Marvel Rivals server in the left hand side and click on this. And then you'll just quickly need to go through this quick questionnaire. So I'm just going to fill in all the questions here, and this will be personalized to you. And then we can press finish. So now you can come back over to Marvel Rivals and click on this go button. And as you can see, it will say connect your Discord account to Marvel Rivals, scroll to the bottom and press authorize. Now, once you've done that, you can come back over to the game, and as you can see, the account is now connected. If you're on a console, the steps are going to be slightly different. So as you can see here, you need to go over to the settings icon once you're in the game lobby. You could then go and click on community, just like we did on the computer. You'll then need to go and copy the invitation code to either a computer or a mobile device. And once you've copied the invitation code, you can go and enter that on your computer or mobile. You can then click on the verify button to go and link your Discord account. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.